I like to think that the moment that you die, one thing is going to happen. Your soul is going to rise, and then you're going to hear a voice. And the voice is going to say, "How did you like heaven?" And you're going to turn around and say, No, I've just died. I'm waiting to go into heaven." And the voice will say, "I created a beautiful world with oceans and mountains and trees and forests, all the fruit and vegetables of all different flavors, all different animals, plants, vegetation, flowers. And you want another heaven? What happened to the heaven that I gave you? You didn't know how to be happy in that heaven. You don't deserve a second heaven." Everybody's looking for heaven. Tomorrow, the masters are saying, there is a heaven here now.
Good morning. This is Hiker Dude Dad.